Hi everyone, my name is Thomas Kim. Today is March 31st, 2021. This is 140th episode about vector calculus and classical electromagnetism. In this episode, I will explain how to beast parameter in parameter pack, how to use getNth argument for workhorse, how to put OpenCL objects in STL container. In episode 72, C++ compile time loop for workhorse. In this video, I explained how to use for workhorse. Also, in episode 77, we learned how to implement getNth argument in this video. In episode 77, I implemented getNth argument. I assume you have watched my previous videos listed here, especially episode 138, handling character encoding, UTF-8 bomb, UTF-16, real Endian, big Endian. Also, episode 139, locate correct error line in OpenCL multiple kernel files. Please double-click this link. If you haven't watched my previous episode 139, it might be difficult to follow my current session. In the download source code section, double-click this link, show in folder, unzip it, rename 140 OpenCL in container. Copy the folder, paste it in your working directory. Now start. Open your working folder. From folder 140, double-click clap.cpp. Now start command prompt dir cd 140 OpenCL in container. dpcpp qsdd c++20 f noexcept ehsc clap.cpp opencl.lib od.exe hit enter clsd. So kernel multiplication.cl line 8 kernel multiplication.cl line 8. We fixed the bug. We build again clsd. Now it works correctly. Now let me explain how to put our custom class OpenCL object. Select this file, search. This is our custom class. I want to put elements of OpenCL object in C++ STL standard template library container classes. Scroll down. We need default constructor. Copy this, paste it here, null ptr. We declared default constructor by providing null ptr. Now, OpenCL sample C right after this concept template allowed CL object C, CL object type, callable C, CL object type, CL retainer type, callable C, CL object type, CL releaser type, OpenCL object. We provide this parameter as argument, retainer type as argument, releaser type as argument, colon OpenCL object CL object type, CL object. This is constructor. Auto object, create OpenCL object. We pass CL object. This M object, M object. Now we have to set M object to null ptr to prevent decrementing reference count. This M releaser object, M releaser, this M retainer object, M retainer. Now control end. If we scroll up, we can find test build multiple kernel files. Here we can say std vector programs. This is plural. We can initialize with the program. Program is an instance of OpenCL object. So we are putting an instance of OpenCL object program in std vector class. We build once again CLS D. It works perfectly. Now let's try with the Microsoft compiler. CD 140 OpenCL in container. CL EHSC SDD C++ latest clap.cpp opencl.lib fe m.exe hit enter. CLS M Microsoft compiler also works. Now let me explain how to beast each parameter in parameter pack. Template, type name, ARG, types. Void beast each parameter in parameter pack. ARG types, ARGs. Scroll down. I will disable it. I will copy this. Paste kernel.cl CL std CL 1.2 kernel subtraction CL path math kernel multiplication .cl semicolon. I will put a carriage return here. Please understand that CL kernel is a file. This is our option or command line switch for OpenCL compiler. Kernel subtraction.cl is OpenCL C kernel program. CL past math is another command line switch. Kernel multiplication.cl this is OpenCL kernel source code. Here context pair std size t size of args std stream option stream std vector std string kernel file names. Types for workhorse. We pass size. This size is argument count or parameter pack. Here we capture option stream. We capture kernel file names. we capture ARGs, this ARGs, then block, auto indexer. In this lambda, auto L value reference, ARG, control B. From these ARGs, we extract one argument like this. Types get nth argument. We pass indexer index ARGs. We extract one ARG or parameter from ARGs or parameter pack ARGs. Auto is openable. We use get file character encoding by passing ARG. We implemented this function in our previous episode. In episode 138, we implemented get file character encoding. If is openable, file character encoding open fail, it means ARG is not file name. So option stream ARG 1 blank space, else kernel file names in place back ARGs. Now after block, this defines lambda body. Here std string options, option stream str options pop back stream options and there stream kernel files, kernel file names. Now in the command prompt, we build again clsd. So from these parameters, we classified command line switch for OpenCL compiler, and these are kernel files. Using our workhorse pattern, also get nth argument, we processed the parameter packs to options and the kernel file names. For more information about for workhorse, please refer to this video. For more information how we implemented get nth argument, please refer this video. Now Ctrl F, create program. This one, create program, string kernel file name, fold it up. From here, cut, paste it here, scroll up. We will define a concept, template, type name, type, concept, string, type C, std is same B, type, constant character pointer, or copy, paste, std, string, don't miss semicolon here, string, type C, ARG, types. Then we will delete this part, delete ARG, types, ARGs. Now from here up to this point, delete here std, vector, std, string, arguments. We use these arguments, ARGs. We have to expand std vector std string kernel file names std o string stream option stream for oro arg arguments oro is openable get file character encoding arg if is openable file character encoding open fail option stream arg one blank character else kernel file names in place back arg here std string options option stream string while options empty not empty and options back equal to blank character options pop back we remove trailing blank characters then in this block if options empty return create program true we pass context device then kernel files else copy this paste options copy this paste it here I will arrange like this please understand that we are calling create program by passing kernel file names. Kernel file names are std vector of type string. Here we are calling this function std vector string. Now scroll down. Test build multiple kernel files. We can now remove curly brace. So this create program calls this function, not this one. With this, we will build again. Sorry, I forgot one thing. In the function main, I will disable it. We will call test multiple kernel files. We build again clsd. Our program builds successfully. For example, if I make a syntax error, we rebuild clsd. It correctly detects the error. Using Microsoft compiler, we build again. Microsoft compiler also works correctly. Using clang compiler, cd 140 OpenCL in container clang std C++20 clf.cpp l OpenCL ltbb oc.exe hit enter. clsc clang compiler also works successfully.